Hello, guys, lovers of fashion. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, irrespective where you are. Guys, yeah, I'm here with another new tutorial. Wow, thanks to all my old subscriber. God bless you all for subscribing to Susu Fashion YouTube channel. May God bless you all. I thank you so much. Please, guys, if this is the first time you are coming across this video, please like and share, subscribe, press the notification bell, so if there's any new video you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, this is a Susu Fashion channel, YouTube channel, which I post dresses, sewings, and drafting patterns. Yes, guys, I just want to bring to your notice these choppers of this machine chopper, which I used to chop my rice to make fufu and plantain fufu, yam fufu, cassava fufu. I also using to chop okra if I want to make an okra soup, my onions, pepper, anything at all that I just want to chop, not to be smooth. Is so good, but in fufu is so good because when you use the normal blender machine, is very watery, but when you use this to chop your rice, oh guys, see, I just using to chop my rice now. You see how it is. I just add a little water to it. It was so nice and delicious, guys. You don't have to worry, because yesterday I was so stressful. I just, after cooking and stress and wash the dishes, I said, oh my god, I pick up my children. It was on Friday. I pick up my children from school. I say I can't just go to the kitchen again and start turning fufu. I live in Germany. I was just so tired. That's okay. Since there is rice I've boiled for my children to eat with a spinach stew, that's okay. Let me just take from it. I take the quantity that I want. I just chop it, and it was so nice, guys. My little daughter Precious, if you don't allow me to eat it, she finished it all. I have to make another one for my daughter again. The one that the remaining one, that was the one I've eat. You see, they like it so much, especially my little baby. She likes it so much, and it was so nice, guys. See how it is. It was so nice. I turn it in this orange rubber, and I just mix it all again with tonic stick, and then, guys, good to go. It's good to go. Federica was yelling at me and she don't even remember me again. I said, please leave some for me, or let me eat. So she really enjoyed. She said, mommy, I don't even know that it was rice. So I thought it was fufu. I said, yes, it is rice. So I chop the rice together. I just put it in the chopper machine, and it just, this is the first time I'm just trying it. When you eat rice, as a swallow, it just digests fast than the potato fufu we make, maybe puree, semo. No, those one, it doesn't digest on time. But this was so good. You see how it is? Yeah, I was serving her, guys. It was so nice. Yummy, 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 guys. Wow. Please come and eat with us. So you people should come and eat. Go and acquire yours in Amazon. I bought mine in Amazon. There are different one you can choose for yourself. I bought mine there as well. It was so nice. Look at it. Look at you see? I'm just trying it. Look at. Oh, no more semo, no more puree, no more semo. I have my rice, just one time to boil them all together. Then I chop with my chopper machine. Then it's good to go. We use mortar. Hey, then this is my mortar. Oh, the machine is my mortar, guys. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you. Please, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, press the notification bell, like and share. Please, thanks for coming across. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. The next video I will be showing how I make a gown, a white beautiful gown for a lady which he used for her daughter's birthday. It was so beautiful throughout. And I will also be downloading and also be sharing with you how I made the leggings for my 4 girls and myself dress. We used to rock the party together, guys. Yes, stay tuned, please subscribe, always come and check if there's any new video. Press the notification bell, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye. God bless you. Bye.